I'm going for a light finish. I'm taking a pic out myself. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. In today's video I'll be showing you the barrym palette featured by annalingis. Annalingis. That is the look we created today, so keep on watching if you want to know how I got this look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time since I've uploaded. It's just for like everything and the current situation, as well as work has been a bit stressful, so that is why I haven't uploaded, and I hope that I can just get back into the routine of making videos twice a week. So today I'm just going to do a makeup look by the annalingis palette. I presume it's by barrym, so I'll just be creating a look, and is what it is. I haven't been really wearing makeup for a long time, so let's just jump into it and go with the flow, shall we? Right, matey, grab your tea. What am I doing? Makeup, right? Oh, let me bring you guys a bit closer. That's okay. Okay, so first product we're going in is barrym Primer Original All Night Long. And it's kind of like in a balm, clear consistency as well. I actually start with my eyes first, and for that I'm going to use some concealer on there. So how's everyone been? I mean, my channel's quite small, so I don't think anyone would reply. If I look down, there's a mirror right in front of me, so yeah. I have the ultra fine loose setting powder by MUA Makeup Academy. As a transition shade, I'm going to be using tan. Oh lord, why do I have so much brushes and I don't use them all? But then I like shopping for new brushes. Don't ask me. Okay, so she pigmented. Anyway, now we're going to be picking up Love. So this is not the Jaclyn Hill palette, but a rip-off version basically. So I'm going to be using this green right there on this angled brush. Oh my god. Let me swatch it real quick. A bit chalky, but she popping though. Can y'all see that? That looks nice. Okay, we're gonna take our index finger and dip into olive. Oh, that's creamy. And we're gonna go in the outer edges. So pigmented. I wish they had like a matte shade though for these shimmery colors. I'm gonna English, and I'm gonna wing out my eye with this liner by Rimmel. It's called Glam Eyes. I don't know if you guys can see that. Why does my voice keep cracking? Okay, let's go. Right, I'm going to be doing the next eye off on camera and I will be back. Sorry, I'm using the MUA Makeup Academy Pro Base Long Wearing Matte Finish Foundation. A lot, like a tongue twister. Alright, go in with this small brush first and then I blend it out with a beauty blender. It's not really like covering up everything and I don't want it to cover up everything necessarily. I'm going for a light finish. I'm taking a pic out myself. Oof. Concealer. Same concealer that we used on the eyes. Like for my budget for my makeup, I don't really like to spend a lot, but I prefer skincare. I'm more invested in my skin. Like I prefer to spend way much more money on skincare because I feel like the makeup doesn't really go onto your skin if your skin is not prepared properly. If that makes sense. Makes sense to me, so sorry. Blue in this palette is called Jungle. Okay. She's pigmented. And she's just gonna go, whoa. This is a shimmer, by the way. Damn. So I need to look in the mirror. I'm actually gonna put bronze in the inner corner. I'm gonna mix it with silk. Oh. I really like this palette. It's a win-win. I mean, the colors for me are like creamy enough, and I feel like this on any skin tone would be usable in a sense that any skin tone can wear it. Because sometimes when people come up with eyeshadow palettes, it's not really catered to people with skin of color like me. I am caramel. Yeah. And it looks beautiful. Oh my god. I think I'm just gonna change my top. Ooh, this makeup is low-key lit. Like the palette is amazing. So my review overall is it's definitely worth it for the price. I will get the palette up on a picture and the exact price that I got from Superdrug. I'd say try it out, you really can't go wrong. And wait, I really recommend this High Shine Revlon Ultra. Just try this out, honestly. I'm not sponsored, I just want you guys to see how this is. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. As usual, I don't know why I do this, but comment grapes down below. That is my little sign because I love grapes so much. Anyway, I think I keep rambling on, but have a good day, stay safe, and peace out. Bye.